And an update on one we've been following for weeks. The partner of a man killed last month at a Potomac assisted living facility is now suing.
Yeah, so the lawsuit here accuses Kosher Senior Living of ignoring concerns about an employee who is now charged with murder. Marquise James is accused of shooting and killing 87-year-old Robert Fuller Jr. last month. Our Kelly Vaughn says lawyers are asking the public for help getting answers for both the victim and his loved ones.
In this 59-page lawsuit, they allege that the facility ignored complaints from multiple employees about the suspect and even fired a nurse after they filed a formal complaint just 11 days before the killing.
87-year-old Robert Fuller Jr. was shot and killed on Valentine's Day while inside his apartment at the Kosher Potomac Senior Living Facility.
We've suffered an immeasurable loss, and the trauma is ongoing, and we need to know why.
Suzanne Karen is the daughter of Linda Buttrick, the longtime partner of Fuller who lived in the apartment with him. In court documents, she and her lawyers say Fuller's death was preventable and happened because Kosher ignored the danger posed by Marquise James, a medicine technician at the facility. James has been charged with first-degree murder in the death of Robert Fuller. The civil lawsuit claims Kosher ignored employee concerns about James for weeks leading up to the shooting. This is lawyer Michael Belsky.
She had concerns that he was acting erratically, that he appeared to be under the influence, that there were questions about his handling of medication, and questions about his interaction with patients and safety concerns. That is what was alleged 11 days before the murder took place. She was fired almost immediately after sending that email. He was not.
The lawsuit alleges that James's mother was a senior director at Kosher and used her position of authority to suppress complaints about her son.
There was a culture at Kosher to protect Mr. James and not to protect the people who complained about him and voiced their concerns.
The lawsuit goes on to claim that even after James was identified as a person of interest in the murder investigation, Kosher continued to have him administer Linda Buttrick's Parkinson's medication.
Required him to go in and feed her medication, to be alone in a room with her. That room was, in essence, a crime scene.
The lawyers say since filing the lawsuit yesterday, they have already received additional new complaints. Now, James at this moment is held without bond. He's additionally being charged with attempted murder for allegedly firing shots at a Maryland state trooper in Baltimore just days after Fuller's murder. Reporting in Silver Spring, I'm Kelly Vaughn for WUSA 9.